Welcome to Vysh's YouTube channel. We are in the Polity MCQ series. So this is episode 7 of Polity MCQ series. If you have not watched the past 6 series or past 6 episodes, go to the playlist of Vysh IAS of playlist of Polity MCQ series. Go there and watch them and come back to this video. And if you want to join the test series or if you want to get the details of the test series, then you can WhatsApp to the number 7200681675, which is also appearing on the screen. So thousands of people are getting advantages through test series every year. So you can also enroll in it and have a good preparation and efficient preparation. So let's start the video. Which of the following states does not have the Vedan Parishad? So there are some states which have Vedan Parishad too. So option A is Bihar, option B is Maharashtra, option C is Rajasthan, option D is Uttar Pradesh. And the answer for this question is Rajasthan, because for every state there is a legislature which consists of governor and either one or two houses. Okay, the Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh has bicameral legislature, with the remaining states have the unicameral one. So in the given option, Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh are present. So Rajasthan is not having a bicameral legislature. So Rajasthan is the answer for this question. Other question: which one of the following is the main principles on which the parliamentary system operates? We have discussed about the parliamentary and the presidential form of government in the previous videos. But yeah, these options are little different. Option A is about supremacy of the parliament. Option B is responsibility of executive to legislature. Option C is saying supremacy of judiciary. Option D, theory of separation of powers. So option B is correct for this question. That is responsibility of executive to legislature. So this is the main principle of the parliamentary form of the government. So consider the following question. Out of the 7 union territories, only Delhi and Pondicherry have representation in the Rajya Sabha. The president can nominate only 12 members to the Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, 20 members are to be representatives of the union territories. Which of the following statement given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, 1 and 2 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So coming to the first statement, out of the 7 union territories, Delhi and Puducherry has representation in the Rajya Sabha. Yes, this is true. The statement is true. The president can nominate only 12 members to the Rajya Sabha. Okay, this is correct. In third statement, it is given in Lok Sabha 20 members are to be representatives of the union territories. Yes, this is also correct. So statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct for this question. So according to Article 80 of the Constitution, it lays down the maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha to be 250. Maximum should be 250, and out of this 250, 12 members should be nominated and 238 are the representative of the states and the 2 union territories. The present strength of the Rajya Sabha is 245, where 233 are representatives of the states and the union territories of Delhi and Puducherry, and 12 are nominated by the president. The members nominated by the president are the persons having a special knowledge and the practical experience in respect of such matters of literature, science, art and social service. Okay. The de jure head of the state government is. So the de jure head of the state government is the governor of the state, because maybe he is the head of the state government, but de jure head of the state government, but whatever the function he performs, most of the function should be performed by the decisions given by the chief minister and the council of ministers. Okay, in the same way, prime minister is the head of the government of the center, and de jure head of the government in the central level is the president, because president will act according to the decisions and according to the decisions given by the prime ministers and the other council of ministers. Okay, that is why we call governor in the state and president in the center as a de jure head of the state government and de jure head of the central government. So this is the answer for option D is the answer for the question. Consider the following statements. The governor of a state has a power to appoint. Statement number 1, judges of the High Court. Statement number 2, members of the State Public Service Commission. Statement number 3, members of the State Finance Commission. Statement number 4, the Accountant General. Which of the following statements are correct? So, in these statements, there are two people who can be appointed by the governor of the state. They are the members of the State Public Service Commission and the members of the State Finance Commission. These two can be appointed by the governor. So 2 and 3 are the correct statements. They are asking about the correct statement, so we can put this option as correct. That is 2 and 3. That is option B for this particular question is correct. The governor of the state may be removed from the office of the president. Okay, the governor of the state can be removed through what is the question? At the request of the chief minister. Option B, on the advice of the Lokayukta. Option C, on the advice of the union cabinet. Option D, on the advice of the attorney general of India. If you think logically also, we can eliminate Lokayukta. Lokayukta is not about removing the president or something like that, and we cannot ask attorney general. Attorney general won't have the power to remove. And if you think logically also, chief minister won't be because governor is representing the center, so it should be something which is related to center. So it will be the union cabinet which will advise the governor of the state. Governor of the state can be removed on the advice of the union cabinet by the president because he is the representative in the state of the center. Okay, next question. Under which article of the Constitution of India the state governor can reserve a bill for the consideration of the president? Option number A, article 169. Option number B, article 200. Option number C, article 201. Option number D, article 257. So for this question, option number B is correct. So under article 200, a governor can reserve a bill for the consideration of the president. So whenever a bill comes from the state legislature towards the governor, he has the power to send it back for once, and he has the power to sign, or he can reserve the bill for the consideration of the president. So he have the power to reserve a bill for the consideration of the president under article 200. So remember this point. Even president will have the power, but president can't reserve the bill for the consideration of the governor, but governor will send it to the president for his consideration. So this is the difference between them with regard to the assent on the bill in order to make it as act. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's meet with another MCQ series in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. So before leaving the class, I will just remind you that please give feedback for every video that we upload, because we are putting lots of efforts. We are working for you day and night in order to put all the videos freely in the YouTube channel. But if you are not giving the feedback properly, we'll obviously convert this all cities into the paid courses. So considering this, subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber, but if you're getting benefit out of it, and like the video, comment and share it with your friends who are in need of it. So until then, let's meet in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.